Come back to JV Radio. My viewers, subscribers, remember me did tell you in the previous video, say a long time the B want leave Majah hype, Remember me did come tell you, say the B left Majah hype in a fear mind months ago, Them time the Majah hype thinks everything good. So watch out, my viewers, say I whole heap of sex tape drop again. So people up on social media attack their mind. There's something they go. So watch Kirby decide to comment under one of her fan them posts. And this is what she have to say. I'm going to read out exactly what she said and then we're going to talk about it. So she said, and I quote, "The crazy part is I never cheated on him. He cheated. The videos he putting out are from before him. Some of them aren't even me. The text messages are from when I picked up and left him for 6 whole months. I guess in his mind, we were still together. And all of the penis pics were from my girls group chat. I don't need followers or fans to make a living. He has to live with that because I told the truth. He lied. Didn't own up to his abuse, leaked pornographic videos of me from past relationships to flip the narrative. I'm okay with that. I know the truth." Now, my viewers, subscribers, you hear that? Yeah, man. That's what Kirby said. I remember me tell you in the video. One point I want to point out is that she say, she pack up her things and man left for 6 months. Them time the Majah hype things, them still in a relationship. But guess what? The B left him long time and move on with film life. Now we are learn say them video there. Because we are afraid of what she saying. I'm saying we don't know her from nowhere. We don't know what really are going. She said all of them video there are from previous relationship. We can't say a lie she tell. You get me? And if she said she never cheat on him before or cheat on him, unless we have evidence, we can't come say, watch a lie the B a tell. You see me? And in reality, them sex tape they can actually be our past relationship them. You might never know. You get me, my viewers, subscribers. But the point I more emphasize on the most is that the B left the man long time, but him just afraid to acknowledge the fact say I'm gonna lose her. You see me, especially if I am wrong. You get me? Remember, the B said them in an abusive relationship for how long? You get me? Me don't know what true that is, but we can see a video of her circulating when beat her up. Allegedly, him still no own that up yet up to today day. Him still no come and talk to you at him do that. You get me, viewers, subscribers. But what more the man them know is that no matter what. You see from a B you want to go on, make you go on. Don't lick her. Don't try to control her because she want left and you don't want she left. That's the reason why we have a whole heap of suicidal killing going on from the other day. It's because the man them afraid, the woman them leave them do some crazy thing. We see this now right now, see how the B want left long time. A long time the B want left. You see it, so Majah hype never want that happen. You see me and see there, this are the outcome. Now people are pointing fingers pan Majah hype, are pointing fingers pan Kirby, the ex-fiance. This is how we want people know. This is how we want people understand. We are human beings. We all make some silly mistake. And when you come on to relationship, you will never find a perfect relationship. You're going to have some breakup. But guess what? You can't use them things if you judge people. You get me? I see people I use the video them, the sex tape them, and I judge the female. No, they can't do that. I fear her life. No care amount of penis she want take. No care amount of video she want video. You can't tell her what to do. Because guess what? At the end of the day, that's her personal life. And for anybody who leak them video there because tell the truth, people are saying Majah hype, me don't know. Me nah come say that man do that. Me no know. But you see whoever leak them video there, brother, you have to be careful what you do, you see me? You have to be careful what you do. You see if you not get no consent or no permission for release them video there, you can't do something like that. You get me? And people not realize the internet is not your friend. It's definitely not your friend. Today, the whole internet team, we are back here and tomorrow them against you. So now if you know what I do. My viewer subscribers, me even come talk too long for your topic here now. I just want you know say yo a long time the B want leave Majah, but Majah hype hold on to the relationship. He might try and make it work, but guess what? I see it there? It never work. So my viewer subscribers, John, you have to take bad things, make joke, you know. More want to comment in the comments section below. What do you think about all of this relationship saga here? Who wrong from who right? What could have done better in the past? Comment in the comments section below. Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.